Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For this video, I'm going to discuss about conic sections circle. Our objective for this discussion is to define circle, determine the equation of a circle given with a radius and a center, and to determine the radius and center. A circle is the set of points in a plane that lie a fixed distance called the radius from any point called the center. The diameter is the length of line segment passing through the center whose endpoints are on the circle. In a rectangular coordinate plane where the center of a circle with radius r is hk, we have a graph like this. To calculate the distance between hk and xy, we use the distance formula, the square root of the quantity x minus h raised to the power of 2 plus the quantity of y minus k raised to the power of 2 equals r. Squaring both sides lead us to the equation of a circle in standard form. The quantity of x minus h raised to the power of 2 plus the quantity of y minus k raised to the power of 2 equals r squared. We have also the general form x squared plus y squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0. And if center is at the region, the equation will be x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Let's have an example. Determine the equation of a circle in standard form given a center and a radius. Number 1, a center negative 5, 6 and a radius equal to the square root of 16. Substitute h, k, and r to find the equation in standard form. Since hk equals negative 5, 6 and r equals 4, so we have the quantity of x plus 5 raised to the power of 2 plus the quantity of y minus 6 raised to the power of 2 equals 4 squared. And if we graph this equation, the graph will look like this. Example number 2. Center 3, negative 1 and radius equals 2. Again, substitute the value of h, k, and r to find the equation in standard form. Since hk equals 3, negative 1 and radius equals 2, so we have the quantity of x minus 3 raised to the power of 2 plus the quantity of y plus 1 raised to the power of 2 equals 2 squared. And if we graph this equation, the graph will look like this. Let's have another example. Write the general form into standard form. X squared plus y squared plus 8x plus 2y plus 16 equals 0. Our first step is to group the terms with the same variables and move the constant to the right side. Group the terms involving x and the terms involving y. Step 2 is to complete the square for each grouping. The idea is to add the value that completes the square and use the formula, the quantity of b over 2 raised to the power of 2, to both sides for both groupings. For the terms involving x, use the quantity of 8 over 2 raised to the power of 2, which is equals to 16, and for the terms involving y, use the quantity of 2 over 2 raised to the power of 2 equals 1. So in the right side of the equation, copy the constant of the two groupings, then add it up. After completing the square, factor it so we have the quantity of x plus 4 raised to the power of 2 plus the quantity of y plus 1 raised to the power of 2 equals 1. Lastly, determine the center and radius in standard form. So in this equation, the center is at negative 4, negative 1, and the radius is 1. In summary, to convert from standard form to general form, we multiply. And to convert from general form to standard form, we complete the square. So I've prepared an exercises. In test A, determine the equation of a circle given a center and a radius. In test B, Write the equation of the circle into the form the quantity of x minus h raised to the power of 2 plus the quantity of y minus k raised to the power of 2 equals r squared. Determine the center and the radius of a circle. If you have any questions, clarification, and suggestions, kindly comment it down below.